Hello you all. The word for the day is cultural lag. So this concept was given by William F. Cockburn. Now let's learn the meaning. When the changes in the material culture occurs faster and the non-material culture remains behind as compared to the material culture. So that concept is known as cultural lag. So let me put in this way that the material culture moves way forward than the non-material culture, and the gap which is formed between the material culture and the non-material culture, that gap is itself known as cultural lag. So we can say that the material culture, it's moving way forward, right? So the non-material culture is not able to adjust or accommodate itself with the speed of the material culture, and because of that the cultural lag happens. For the example, let me give you something very recent and very personal. So I hope you all recall about the time of pandemic or COVID-19. So during that time, our entire traditional education system was replaced by the online mode of teaching and learning, and the learning actually mostly happened between the computer or the laptop and us, right? So we were like mostly in front of the screen. So here we can say that the new technological changes, which is the innovation which happened in the education system, which is learning in front of the screen, it was the material culture. And the non-material culture is basically the traditional values or the traditional system of the teaching and learning which actually happened in the classroom. And we humans, which is the teachers and the students, we were more equipped with the traditional way of learning, right? And because of that, the gap which happened between the tradition and the modern, or we can say that the non-material and the material, this gap is known as cultural lag.